Hello everyone, and welcome back to another 100 Days of Making Comics with me, Zabethy. Today is day 24, and I don't really have a whole bunch to say about the comic side of things or doing anything with the comics, though I will say that yesterday's video, when I was painting the girl's hair, I slowed down to 100%. And in today's video, there will be 2 points in which I slow down, one in which I am doing some detailing on cards, and the other when I am mixing some gold paint ink stuff, and when I am doing some of the painting with the gold ink. So those are both slowed down to 100 because I know a couple of you are slowing down to see what I'm doing or see how fast I'm actually going. I'm pretty slow. I'm not gonna mince words or lie about it. I'm pretty slow when it comes to art. I'm not the slowest. And if I were to slow down and think about things a little bit more before I laid my pencil or pen down, then it would be a more concise and overall more accurate project. But as I've said before, I'm less concerned about making the most pristine, most perfect comic and more concerned with getting content out there, creating things, and getting better overall. It's better to make art than to languish over a couple of pages when it's not going to be the be-all or end-all of my life. I just want some completed things out there. Anyway, so today I went to the store and I purchased some ink. It was very well needed. I got the more expensive ones because apparently they hold 2 to 3 times the amount of ink of blah 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 cartridge. The cartridges are the same size. They should really just make them all hold a ridiculous amount of ink, because the whole, oh, I'm gonna waste plastic just to waste plastic makes me feel kind of like poop. I also got some new sticker paper. I don't know if you guys fully understand the difference between A4 and US letter size, but every time I would calibrate my printer to US letter size so that it would print on the US letter size, it would just revert, like sometimes like mid-print, which I know is an issue with my printer, but it's not something that I can abide by when I'm trying to print things and running out of ink because of it. So I'm fairly excited right now because I also purchased a laminator and lamination paper, and I did this so that I can properly laminate my stickers. So my stickers will be laminated so they'll be more weatherproof, just because I can't find a decent vinyl to print on that's cost effective, and I can't find a couple of things that I'm looking for overall that would make my life easier. Until I can find those things and find those things reliably, like in something more than $20 for $40, I'm going to use the lamination method. If it doesn't work, I won't laminate things, but for now I think it's a pretty decent idea. I have some holographic sticky paper that I'll be putting on some of my stickers once I have everything completely figured out. I'm really excited to use the holographic sticky paper because I think it's really fun to have holographic stickers. It's one of my favorite things, so on some of the sticker sets that I'll have in the future, I definitely am going to be using them. So yeah, that was my shopping experience today. The guy who helped me was super helpful. So we have a place called Warehouse Stationery here, and sometimes when I go there, the experience is lackluster, but this guy knew what he was talking about, and anything that I had a query about, he answered immediately, or before I could even end my sentence, he knew what I was talking about. And I don't think that people in retail have their praises sung enough, but the ones who know what they're doing, the ones who actually care about their job, like, they should get awards or something because they're amazing. I remember being retail and I remember hating it because the customers were not great. To be fair though, the retail I'm talking about is working at Walmart. It was pretty terrible. But when I worked in a garden center, people treated me with more respect, which I find completely silly because you could work in either. You could be either. And one garners more respect than the other. It doesn't make sense to me. Sorry for Teddy crying in the background. He's sad that I am not playing tug of war with him. And I will get back to doing that with him very soon. hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you have, please consider liking it, commenting down below, subscribing maybe. Thank you all for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day, night, or morning, wherever you are, whenever it is when you're watching this. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.